Hey guys, welcome. Today we are going to teach. Are you ready? We begin!
What is an exception? Formula an exception in Java is an event which occurs during the functioning of the program that disrupts the normal flow of the program's instructions. There are many typical causes for exception in Java, including loss of network connectivity, invalid input data, requests for missing or not existing files, exceeding memory limits, or the Java code errors. Officially, exceptions are distinct from errors because errors are more serious use that the application should not try to catch. Most developers, however, consider errors to be just a subset of an exception. An example in code: if you try with catch in catch if of the input is not a enter catch the input mismatch exception. Why print line in invalid input place enter valid enter?
Types of the exception. In object-oriented programming, there are various types of the exception that might arise during the execution of a program. The first exception, routine exception, occur during program execution and are typically the result of errors in the program logic, such as division by zero or accessing indices outside of the valid range. The second exception, input-output exceptions, arise when working with input and output operations, such as reading or writing fields, and occur when a field is not found or cannot be accessed. The third exception, custom exceptions, can be created by the programmer to handle a specific situation that cannot be easily managed with a standard exception. Quarter exception, typed conversation exceptions, occur when attempting an invalid type conversation at routine. For example, trying to convert an object to an incompatibility type. Finally, the last exception, array exceptions, occur when trying to access an index outside the allowed range in an array. Thank you.
Exception. What is the thing that cause exception? Many things can cause exception, including hardware error, enable native operation, divided by zero, program error, and array overflow error, opening of the exit file. It's important to understand how the protect have the exception in your code to prevent the program for failing on the plenty and to prevent user error message for default.
There are two types of exception in Java: checked and unchecked exception. First, the checking exception. This is when there is a syntax error, such as missing parentheses, braces, square brackets, or semicolons. These errors do not allow the execution of the program until they are solved. The most common fail is the division for 0. Second, uncheck. These are errors that can be found in the execute of the program, such as entering a growth data type, which generate errors and the interruption of the program. The first example is unchecked. In this moment, don't exist a correct syntax in the program, and not is possible run the code. This is an exception that check it. Second is the unchecked exception with run the code. For example, in this part, I input a string, and exception in the read main java util.input mismatch exception. The int output scanner next line is the type of int, and I introduce a string. For this reason, is generate exception .java.
That's all. Thank you for your attention. See you
Cuando
later.
algo está para ti es inevitable. Hasta que me conoció